How I clawed my way out of the lost pit 2 years ago. The answer was simple. I stopped reading news, stopped checking financial updates, and completely stopped looking at stock forum comments. Especially those forums. Just don't go there. So what should you watch instead? Trends, volume, position sizing. Speaking of position sizing, we've all struggled with this. If you buy too little, you worry about missing gains. Such a waste to stay mostly in cash. That itch is hard to ignore. If you buy too much, you lose sleep over potential losses. But the biggest problem with heavy positions isn't what most people realize. You might imagine bigger positions mean bigger wins, but here's what really happens. When you go all in on one stock, it stops being just a stock. It becomes your lover. Those glowing red profit numbers act like a wedding veil over your judgment. You're convinced there's more upside ahead. Even when it falls back to your entry price, you're still dreaming, unwilling to let go. Maybe it'll turn around, you tell yourself. Someone might say, if it drops, I'll just cut losses quickly. That's the plan until your position is too heavy. When you've invested everything in this relationship, and it turns against you, you'll misinterpret every red flag as a temporary mood swing. When a 7% gain shrinks to 2% at closing, you won't sell. You'll think it's just a test or a market shakeout. Sound familiar? Heavy positions destroy your rationality. When you've bet it all, you start fantasizing. Your once solid logic becomes fragile, you second-guess everything. You're trapped by sunk cost, unable to walk away yet unwilling to stay. Meanwhile, you watch other opportunities flourish while your position languishes in the red. That's when your mentality shatters. This is human nature, and human nature can't withstand such tests. We shouldn't swing between greed and fear. Why not find a middle path? Position sizing is that middle path, the balance that lets us trade steadily between those two extremes.